Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for June 2nd to the 16th. We're going to start off here with the severe weather threat first. We're going to look here at down here in Georgia, Virginia, and we have severe thunderstorm warning in effect here with the cell. We'll take a look at that, and we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Blacksburg, Virginia, and for Roanoke County, Rockbridge County, northeastern city of Roanoke, and Bedford County, and southern Badacourt County, and west central Arcace County, and northeastern Franklin County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And we have a thunderstorm that was located near Springwood or near Brockman, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard will be 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And then we have another one down here. We'll take a look at this one. And we have, this has been canceled. Okay, we'll go elsewhere. And we'll go to West Virginia. And we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for East Central Ritchie County, Dodge Ridge County, northeastern Gilmer County, and northwestern Lewis County, southeastern Tyler County, and southern Harrison County, and northern West Virginia until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And we have a thunderstorm located about 8 miles south of West Union or 60 miles east of Harrisville, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard will be 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and possible penny-sized hail. We have another one here, and this is in effect. Is this the one we just did? Oh, this is it. For Dodge Ridge County, northeastern Gilmer County, northeastern Lewis County, and Tyler County and Harrison County until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover if you need to. Okay? So, first of all, we're going to talk about what's going to happen in the east. We've been getting so much rainfall so far that we're expecting some more heavy rainfall. And this would be due to this low pressure system you can see here that'll develop and then lift northeastward right over the New York City metropolitan area, bringing some heavy rain. Now you're looking here at the GFS. This is the European and the European ensembles. Now we'll take a look at the rainfall amounts that are expected, and we'll go here and we'll go to 8 p.m. tonight. Just some light rain. Then we go to 8 a.m. Saturday. We have another close to 2 inches of rain across the New York City area. And then we go to 8 p.m. on Saturday, another inch or two, an inch or two. That's the GFS. This is the NBAM. And you can see here we have some darker oranges and reds. Purples or reds, so this is reaching about maybe I don't want to say 5, maybe close to 6 inches of rain stretching from this area all the way from the Ohio Valley into the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Whether that falls or not, that remains to be seen. Now we're going to take a look at this in-house thing that I use, and I have here on the I had the flash flood guidance on here. So in the New York City area, all you need is about another inch, and that can trigger flash flooding. We'll back up here a little bit. Parts here a little bit more. 1.84 inches of parts of western Pennsylvania, and then you have flooding. Then we'll go further east. You have about 2 inches here in parts of central and eastern PA, and then you have flash flooding. We go into New York State. a little bit more, 2 and almost 2.36 inches of rain. This is, I think, in 1 hour period, and you have flooding. And we'll go up to Connecticut, a little over 2 inches, and you have flash flooding. And we go up to New York State, Virginia and New Hampshire, and Vermont, a little over 2 inches. You have flash flooding. So this is over an hour period because it's going to come quick and hard. All right. So this is for the flash flood guidance for this area. Okay, we're going to get to the forecast now, and this is for the forecast period. Let me get to the map. This is for the forecast period for June 2nd to the 6th. And what we have is positive height anomalies over the Northeast Pacific, as well as over Eastern Canada and the East, and this will favor a split flow across the nation. Now, the flow will have embedded pieces of energy within it, energy enclosed low. There was a potential for a cutoff low near or off the East Coast beneath this ridge here over Eastern Canada. And the west, a strong high, will be in the middle of the North Atlantic. This pattern will support an east to west movement of weather systems through next week. Now, the ridge in the west will cause very warm temperatures ahead of the systems that are moving from west to east. Okay, so we'll take a look at that surface. After we get rid of this system here, then we come to the 5th to the 6th to see how the system moves from west to east. The frontal system moves through and brings some more wet weather to parts of the east probably by the end of the week. All right, and then we have warm temperatures here. We'll take a look at the warm temperatures, the anomalies. All right, this is for through the 6th. These are the temperature anomalies that we're expecting in this region. We have here it looks like orange red, maybe 4 degrees above normal across this area here. We'll have some warm periods here in the east, about 3 degrees above normal. And then we have cool temperatures here across the northern plains. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for June 7th to the 11th. Oops. 7th to the 11th. And what we have here, a trough briefly builds into the northern tier, the northern plains, upper Mississippi Valley. But for the most part, we're expecting a zone of float above normal heights. The GFS, as we look at that, has a weakness here over the southeast. Okay, I don't know what that means. Could that be a possible tropical development? I don't know, but this is usually where we look when we get into June in the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean. But usually it comes from the Central American Gyre, and that's where we get the tropical development, but it could be just a trough in that area. All right. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures here, with anomalies near 4 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here, with anomalies near 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Now we're going to look ahead at the period for June 12th to the 16th. And what we have, most models are in better agreement. We have a trough here in the west, ridging here off over the Eastern Pacific. This is a strong ridge. That'll probably be spreading inland eventually. But for now, expecting a trough in the west, zone of float above normal heights in the east. Some of the models differ in the strength of the western trough, but it's still there. So for this forecast period, I am calling for Below normal temperatures here with anomalies near 4 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures for this region with anomalies near 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is near 35%. Okay, we'll look at the quick radar here. Not same things that are going on that I talked about before. Severe thunderstorm warning, no tornadoes or anything yet, or flash flood warnings. So that's it for today. That is the long range weather forecast discussion. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.